Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Smart Tutoring. We are discussing important multiple choice questions for Term 1 examination of CBSE Class 10 Science. In this video, we are discussing MCQs from the chapter The Human Eye and the Colourful World. Now let's go to the questions. First one, in an experiment to trace the path of ray of light through a triangular glass prism, a student would observe that the emergent ray, option A, is parallel to the incident ray, option B is along the same direction of the incident ray, option C gets deviated and bends towards the rectangular face of this prism, option D gets deviated and bends towards the base of the prism. Here the answer is option D, gets deviated and bends towards the base of the prism. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the propagation of light of different colors of white light in air? Option A, red light moves fastest. Option B, blue light moves faster than green light. Option C, all the colors of the white light moves with the same speed. Option D, yellow light moves faster than orange light. Answer is option C. All the colors of the white light move with the same speed. Question number 3. Twinkling of stars is due to option A, atmospheric dispersion of light by water droplets. B, atmospheric refraction of light by different layers of varying refractive indices. Option C, scattering of light by dust particles. Option D, internal reflection of light by clouds. Here the answer is option B, atmospheric refraction of light by different layers of varying refractive indices. Question number 4. Which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of the sun at sunrise and sunset? Option A, dispersion of light. B, scattering of light. C, total internal reflection of light. D, reflection of light from the earth. Here the answer is option B, scattering of light. During sunset or sunrise, light has to travel a longer distance to reach us. Red color scatters the least so that it travels the farthest. So, only red light reaches to us and the sun appears reddish. Question number 5. At noon, sun appears white because option A, light is least scattered. Option B, all the colors of white light are scattered away. Option C, blue color is scattered the most. Option D, red color is scattered most. Answer, option A, light is least scattered. Sun is directly over the head and sunlight travels relatively shorter distance, causing only little of the blue part to be scattered. And so, the sun appears white at noon. Question number 6. Which of the following phenomena of light are involved in the formation of a rainbow? Option A, reflection, refraction and dispersion. Option B, refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. C, scattering, dispersion and internal reflection. D, refraction, reflection and scattering. Here the correct answer is option B, refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. Question number 7. In the diagram given below, the angle of incidence, angle of emergence and angle of deviation respectively have been represented by option A, Y, Q and Z. Option B, X, P and Z. Option C, P, Y and Z. Option D, X, Q and Z. The answer is option C, P, Y and Z. Here, angle P is the angle of incidence as this angle is formed between the incident ray and the normal. Also, angle Y is the angle of emergence as it is formed between the emergent ray and the normal. And angle Z is the angle of deviation and it is formed between the emergent ray and the direction of the incident ray. Hence, the correct answer is option C, P, Y and Z. Question number 8. The clear sky appears blue because option A, blue light gets absorbed in the atmosphere. Option B, light of all other colors is scattered more than the violet and blue by the atmosphere. Option C, ultraviolet radiations are absorbed by the atmosphere. Option D, the blue part of the sunlight gets scattered more than the other colors. Here the answer is option D, the blue part of the sunlight gets scattered more than other colors. The clear sky appears blue because molecules in the air scatter the blue part of the light more than the other colors, and we see the scattered blue light as blue color. Question number 9. The sky appears dark to the passengers flying at very high altitudes mainly because option A, scattering of light is not enough at very high altitudes. Option B, there is no atmosphere at high altitudes to scatter the light. Option C, the light gets scattered towards the earth. D, none of these. Here the answer is option B, there is no atmosphere at high altitudes to scatter the light. Question number 10. The color of white light which suffers the maximum deviation on passing through a glass prism is option A, yellow, B, red, C, orange, D, violet. Here the answer is option D, violet. Question number 11. The splitting of white light into its 7 colors is known as option A, dispersion, B, scattering, C, refraction, D, deflection. Answer is option A, dispersion. Question number 12. Which of the following color of white light has the least wavelength? Option A, green, B, violet, C, red, D, blue. Answer is option B, violet. Question number 13. Which of the following is not caused by atmospheric refraction? Option A, twinkling of stars, B, stars appearing higher in the sky than they actually are. Option C, sun becoming visible 2 minutes before actual sunrise. Option D, sun appearing red during sunset. Here the answer is option D, sun appearing red during sunset. It is because of the scattering of light. Question number 14. The color of light having maximum speed in glass prism is option A, green, B, violet, C, red, D, indigo. Answer is option C, red. Question number 15. The color of white light which suffers minimum deviation on passing through a glass prism is option A, red, B, green, C, indigo, D, violet. Answer option A, red. Question number 16. Out of the following, the color of light having maximum wavelength is option A, violet, B, indigo, C, red, D, green. Answer is option C, red. Question number 17. The atmospheric refraction of light causes the twinkling of option A, planets only, B, stars only, C, planets and stars, D, neither planets nor stars. Here the answer is option B, stars only. Question number 18. The colored band of light obtained by dispersion of light is called option A, image, B, shadow, C, mirage, D, spectrum. Answer is option D, spectrum. Question number 19. As light from a far off star comes down towards the earth, option A, it bends away from the normal, option B, it bends towards the normal, C, it does not bend at all, option D, it is reflected back. Answer is option B, it bends towards the normal. Question number 20. The stars appear higher in the sky than they actually are. This is due to option A, scattering of light, B, reflection of light, C, diffraction of light, D, refraction of light. Here the answer is option D, refraction of light. It comes the end of this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.